Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Starlink restricted access message. So if Starlink is showing a restricted access warning or your service isn't working properly, just follow along. First, open the Starlink app and then check for any alerts or notifications on your account. Next, make sure Starlink subscription is active and that there is no unpaid bills or account issues. After that, check whether you're using Starlink in a supported service area and according to your plan's terms. You should also restart your Starlink system by unplugging the router, waiting about 30 seconds and then plugging it back in. Then you need to give the system a few minutes to reconnect. Another fix is to check for obstructions. Open the Starlink app and use the obstruction check tool to make sure the dish has a clear view of the sky. You should also update the Starlink app to the latest version from the App Store. And if the restriction appeared after changing locations, make sure your Starlink plan supports use in that area. And if nothing works, contact Starlink support through the app or website for account-specific assistance. So those are some of the best ways to fix the Starlink restricted access message. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.